if screen mirroring is not working in your iPhone and you are not able to mirror your iPhone to your TV, how can you fix this problem? So from here you have the screen mirroring option, and right now it is not showing any device, but you know Wi-Fi is needed for screen mirroring. So if you turn Wi-Fi on and connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network, and then if you open screen mirroring, you can find your device here. But if I tap on the device, you can see uh, it is just loading, and it is you can see not connecting. So here you can see it is still loading, and here you can see AirPlay unable to connect to this device. So how can you fix this problem? So for this, make sure that your TV supports AirPlay. So in the settings, here you can find Apple AirPlay settings. From here, open it and make sure that AirPlay is on. Okay, and you can also manage other settings here, when the code should be required, and you can also reset pair devices. So now open settings and go to the network settings, and from here make sure that your iPhone and TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So from here select the same Wi-Fi network to which you have connected your iPhone, and connect your TV to the same Wi-Fi network. So now the iPhone and TV both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open screen mirroring and select your TV from here. So now you can see from here you will need to enter the AirPlay code which is being shown on your TV. So just enter the code, and from here you can see it is working, and now screen mirroring is working fine. You can see your iPhone is being mirrored to your TV, and you can stop mirroring from here. So this is how you can fix this problem.